Hey everyone, I'm Matt Furlong with Angel Armor. Today I'm going to show you how to attach your Ally 1 pouches to our Rise carriers.
Our MOLLE sticks are designed for a taut fit to prevent your equipment from sagging or hanging off of the carrier. The trade-off of these sturdier clips is a more nuanced install, which we will go over now.
We're going to need some tools for this. First and foremost, it's going to be a butter knife, a dull butter knife. Do not use your pocket knife. Anything that's sharp has a higher probability of cutting through the laminate nylon.
To begin, make sure you have your tactical butter knife to assist with the opening of the MOLLE field to properly weave your clip through the pouch and the carrier. Take your MOLLE clips off the pouch, and you will want to weave the clip through the first line of MOLLE on the back side of the pouch, and then through the next line of MOLLE on the carrier, alternating until you reach the top of the pouch. Once you're finished, be sure to take the small tab at the top of the clip and weave that over the top of the last line of laminate on the carrier or the pouch to secure it in place. Repeat this process for each pouch you install on your carrier. Once you've installed your pouches, you're now ready to wear your carrier. Angel Armor, protection at a higher level.